We would like to move on to the next presentation by Dr. Ravi Trehan. He is from Hanumangarh in Rajasthan. Dr. Ravi Trehan is a great surgeon and presently he is the chairman of Rajasthan chapter of ISM SICS. He has always held keen interest in SICS and smart SICS with regular presence in national meetings and has had the unique opportunity of conducting workshops in SICS, and he has made presentations nationally and internationally. Dr. Ravi Trehan, sir.
Would you share your video, doctor?
Yes. Yes, it is. Am I audible?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
This is grade 5 cataract, intumescent cataract, and I am doing SICS with 6 millimeter incision. After doing conjunctival flap with 15 number bar park blade, scratch is made, and then crescent with the help of crescent, corneoscleral tunnel is made, and then side port is creating with 15-degree blade, and blue dye is injected. Main problem I was expecting is Argentinian flag as well as big nucleus. So I have used sodium hyaluronate in this case. After entering with 2.8 keratome, visco is injected and then extension is made in corneoscleral tunnel, and with the basic rule of cut while you enter. And I opted to use sodium hyaluronate and capsular axis from side port. So I decided to do it double axis, and with every possible prevent the leakage of the visco from wound. So because leakage of visco, if AC is shallow, then the chances of Argentinian flag or extension of rhexis is there. So just to avoid this Argentinian flag, I create this small rhexis, aspirated just to reduce intralenticular pressure. Again, sodium hyaluronate is injected, and then extension of this capsular axis. I created this bigger axis because the size of nucleus is very big. So just to deliver in AC, this bigger axis is created. Then nucleus is tumbled out in anterior chamber, and again putting sodium hyaluronate above and below the nucleus with the simple iris repositor. I usually bisect this, and both the pieces of the nucleus are removed. Judicious use of sodium hyaluronate is there. And so my take-home message is, for grade 5 cataracts, we have to use sodium hyaluronate in rhexis as well as nucleus delivery. And here, dissection of nucleus is with simple iris repositor available on the table. I have tried even Shah's snare also, but I'm more comfortable with this technique. So this is my carry-home messages, and I think this is all I want to say. Rest is the implantation of IUL.
Yes.
Thank you.
Thank
Sir.
you.
Thank you very much, Dr. Ravi. We very impressed with the way you made your two rhexis and with the adequate viscoelastic get the whole surgery. But we do notice that your incision was quite small. This was anyway a soft cataract. Would you all, do you believe in sticking to these small?
It was 5.5 millimeter. Tunnel is 5.5 millimeter.
Okay. So you say the tunnel wasn't small. Okay. Do you always prefer to use the superior side or the temporal side?
No. Customized everywhere. Temporal, superior temporal, wherever it looks.
Based on what you
based
decided?
on keratometry, steeper meridian.
Okay. Have any question to ask Satyajit?
No, ma'am.
Dr. Deepak?
No, I think it was a wonderful surgery, and he gave all the important take-home messages. I think why he would, just to put across his thoughts, why he would restrict to 5 millimeter for 6 millimeter, because to control the SIA, I think he's keener to control the SIA,
Yes,
and
yes.
that's the reason why he would divide the
I
nucleus.
always call them not SICS, CICS, customized incision cataract surgery.
That's good.
So he has got great expertise in dividing the nucleus. So that is the reason why he can manage to get the nucleus out in 5.5 millimeter.
Yes.
Dr. Debashish, you have anything to ask? Anything to tell?
Sir, unmute, sir.
I think he goes off for short naps and gets back, I think.
No, this is something that I need to educate my ARC chairman. Actually, to emphasize on what Ravi said, actually SICS, the astigmatism that you say surgically induced astigmatism, SICS surgeons, Ruchi was making the point briefly. We say it that we correct astigmatism with the incision. So if you have a 1.25, 1.5, you can advance the incision, you can straighten the incision, you can give bigger incisions, you give it on the centering on the steeper axis. So that is how you correct astigmatism. So I wanted to add, because you look quite surprised.
On every step
on
of the
what
surgery, you have points. On every step of the surgery, we have points to reduce or control the astigmatism. I entered in AC with 2.8 millimeter. Suppose if I extended, astigmatism will be more. But I injected the visco, make it AC deep, and then extend it, then astigmatism will be less. This is, I compared in number of cases.
One thing, may I come in?
Yes, yes.
So just regarding the incisions, so SICS, we are doing from 4 millimeter to 8 millimeter, temporal, superior temporal, superior nasal. There are so many type of customization there. And what sir is saying, according to, everything is like, okay, but the nucleus is, I'm not agree that that was grade 5, this with the grade 3 nucleus, simple soft nucleus otherwise, but okay, nicely done. And these are the things basically. So for astigmatism, we are not afraid of that. Even we can do with all incisions 4 to 8 millimeter.
Chitra,
Yeah.
you will excuse me because I'm joining the other session.
Yes, yes. The OPL would start.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
OPL, I'm joining.
Yes.
Thank you for being here, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Satyajit. Thank you.
sir.
Thank you. Sorry.
Great BOA. We really enjoyed it. It felt like an actual meeting, not a
Yes.
virtual meeting.
It is seen by near about 30,000 people.
Very nice.
Thank you. Thank you.
And madam,
Our next speaker is Dr. Deepak
in
Mehul.
some of the cases, we really need myopic astigmatism. In some of the cases, as Dr. Sudhir is doing very good job, myopic astigmatism is also giving very good advantage in depth of vision. Myopic astigmatism.